Why do 70% of entrepreneurs swear by these side hustles in 2024? Because they work. Ready to turn your spare time into serious cash? Let's dive into the best side hustles for 2024. First up, freelance writing. Got away with words? Businesses are always looking for talented writers. Sites like Upwork and Fiverr can help you find gigs fast. Next, drop shipping. It's easier than ever with platforms like Shopify. No inventory needed, just sell and ship. Plus, you can automate most of the process. Then there's tutoring. If you're good at math, science, or even guitar, people will pay to learn. Check out platforms like Wizant or VIP Kid, and don't forget about becoming a virtual assistant. Many businesses need help with emails, scheduling, and social media. Websites like remote.co can get you started. Finally, consider creating an online course. Share your expertise on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. It can become a passive income stream. There you have it. 5 side hustles to hit that $10K/month goal. Start today and watch your income soar.